Hi, this is Judy from Figure Savers.
And this is Janet, a coach at Figure Savers.
And we wanted to talk to you today about something that we see happening sometimes in the center. Not all the time, but we do see it happening occasionally. And we want to talk about why it's not a good thing to be happening. What we see is occasionally people get to their goal weight, or they get pretty close to their goal weight, and they're feeling really good, they're feeling pretty happy, and they disappear. And I will tell you that most of the time, those people will come back to us a year or 2 years later having gained all their weight back. And there are a couple of reasons why that happens. One, you don't do phase 1 of the protocol until you get to your goal weight and then go back to eating the way you were eating before. Two, there are phases to the program. So phase 1 you do until you get to your goal weight. And phases 2 and 3 are transitional phases to help you acclimate to whole foods again and to a little bit of carbohydrate in your day.
The point that we really need to get across is it's important to stay connected with us at Figure Savers. If you come in and you have phased off, we can answer all your questions. We can educate you on how to maintain that weight. Everyone has worked hard to stay on protocol. It's a structured plan. We want to educate you when you go out into the world, grocery shopping, restaurants, how to maintain the weight. But we need you to come in here and stay connected with us.
Right. So the other thing is phase 4 is maintenance, and maintenance is for your lifetime. And Ideal Protein is one of the only weight loss programs in the world that actually has a framework of how you should eat in maintenance in order to maintain your weight. Wouldn't you want to know what that framework is? So we can help you learn that framework, not only just the framework, but also to tailor it here and there just for you, for your individual needs. Everybody's different. So if you get to your goal weight, make sure you ensure enough time that you can phase off the program appropriately and that you get to come in. You have 4 visits in maintenance for us to help you live within the framework, see how it's going, and for us to tweak the framework a little bit for you if you need some tweaking in it. But if you don't know the framework and you go back to doing things that you were doing before, the diet, you're going to gain your weight back.
And I know Judy and I talk about this a lot, that our goal is to get you off of Ideal Protein food and to educate you about the healthy whole foods out there in the world that you can purchase and you can start enjoying and still come in with us. We have maintenance support groups, and we have our coaching. We have the year-long maintenance program that the majority of people who go on that program will 100% maintain their weight.
Absolutely, yeah. The maintenance program is an optional program at the end. It's 17 visits for an entire year, at least 17 visits. That's the minimum for an entire year, and you do get a program that is specifically tailored to you to help you maintain your weight. So the people we have coming in and doing that program are maintaining their weight. We would love to see you doing that as well.
So let's start getting connected more and more, not only through phase 1, but through all the phases, most importantly phasing off, and then staying with us throughout the whole year of maintenance.
Awesome. I hope this helps. Stick with the program. We want to see less of you.
We're all in it together.